Okay, and all the question will come from chapter 2. This is your test also. This is your test also, one by one. We will give answer. So let's start without wasting any time, dear students. It is not Kaun Banegi Crorepati, but it is simple live quiz. So the first question that is appearing, let me tell you the rules first. This is the first question from segregate the following as a pure and mixture. You just have to tell it is pure or mixture. So I will ask one by one from group members. Okay, suppose this is the question, first question for, first understand the rule. Rule is this: nobody will give answer, nobody will write on chat box. If any other student other than that student whose group I asked, if they will give answer, they are disqualified from this quiz. Number one, nobody will write chat box. I have opened a chat box also with me, and I have my camera on my screen. All the students are visible to me also. Okay, you just have to observe your turn. You just have to wait for your turn. Like in quiz, it is happening. One team, the team A, B, C, D, E, F is there. A group is team A, B group is team B, C group is team C, and group leader is scoring, recording the score of their group. Answer can be given by anyone, and when the moment you know the answer, you just have to unmute. You just have to say, suppose Ishika Thakur, group A sir, like this way you have to say, this is Ishika Thakur, group A sir, I want to give answer. Then only I will take answer. Getting my point? So this is the question for group A. Segregate the following as a pure or mixture. You have to just tell, is it pure or mixture? So first question is water. I want to ask from group A. Group A, anyone? You have just 30 seconds. Your time starts. My watch is with me.
Yes, sir, pure.
Sorry, again?
Sir, and
No, it is not audible to me. So please drop in chat.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, give options. You have just given water only.
Option Y I will give. Only the out of
following, sir. Following.
Wait. Option is there, na? Is it pure or mixture? Out of these two,
okay.
It is anyone. First, try to understand everyone. Option is already there. You have to just tell it is pure or mixture. Water. So I don't know what she was saying. So drop in chat box, beta. Okay, water is pure. So it is right answer. Give 10 point to group A, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is water. Right answer is water. Now second question is salt from group B. Now quickly you have to give answer. Salt is mixture or pure?
Mixture.
Salt is
Mixture.
So salt is not a mixture, it is a pure substance, because salt is made up of one kind of thing you have at home, salt. So sorry, salt is not a mixture, it is pure, so no credit. This is the third question, salad. For group C. You have to tell your name also. Ma'am, Nitika ma'am, you have to write name also.
Sir, Arnav Ayush.
Arnav Ayush, yes beta.
Sir, it is a mixture.
It is a mixture, so it is right answer, 10 point to group C. Right, Arnav Ayush, 10 points, ma'am. Under group C.
Sir, group B student, what is the name of group B? Diksha?
Yes, beta. No, not Diksha. Yes, beta, give your name. Who have given this answer?
Diksha have given, sir, I think.
Diksha, no, Diksha is not in this group. Yes, beta, over there.
Sorry, sir, I thought I'm in group B.
Diksha has given answer.
Yeah.
So, beta, don't do like this. You are going to
Yes,
disqualify otherwise from this quiz.
Yes, sir.
So now.
And group A?
No, now what is happening? You write this 0 marks in Diksha's group.
Okay.
And group B, I will ask question again, okay? This
okay.
question is from group B now.
Okay.
Iron. Group B will give answer. Group B is Kashish, Muskan, Nainita, Priyanshi, Riddhima. Yes, Kashish, beta.
Kashish. Sir, iron is pure substance.
It is a pure substance. So yes, this is right. You have to give clapping also, dear students, but not like this way in emoji, in sign, clapping. There is clapping sign also. So very good, 10.2 group B, and Kashish has given answer. Excellent, Kashish. Air. Group D.
T.
Group D. Group D. Ayush, Gaurav, Jay Aditya, Kartik Mant, Mohim Thakur, Mridul Thakur, or Nitin. Any student. Tell your name and tell. Mridul Thakur, I can see Mridul Thakur. Air is mixture or pure? Your time is running. After that, you will not get mark. 15 seconds. Mridul, I can see Mridul face here and he is not giving answer. Yes? Pure. So sorry, air is not pure. It is mixture of many gases. You know, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, argon, helium, hydrogen. So many gases are there. So it is mixture. Okay? It means that you are not studying concept clearly. Next is diamond from group E. Sanchit group. Group E. Piyush, Rahul, Ritvik, Rohit, Sanchit, Shalin and Suryansh. Anyone? Ritvik, yes, I can see your face. Anyone? Diamond is pure or mixture? Rohit Thakur. Your time is running. 15 seconds left. Come on. 10 seconds. There is no negative mark. 5 seconds.
Sir, Shalin.
Yes, beta.
Sir, it is pure substance.
Diamond is pure substance and it is a right answer. Very good. So 10 point to Shalin, group E. Nitika ma'am, hope so you are maintaining all the record properly. Nitika ma'am,
Yes, sir.
are you doing or not? Give me some response.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Next is steel. Group F. Group F. Sudha Tamang group. Vansh, Vishal, Piyush, Simran, Srishti, Sudha, Kashish, Jasmine, Shraddha. Steel. Is it pure or mixture? Your time is running.
Sudha is giving answer in chat.
Yes, what is the answer?
Pure, she is saying.
Pure. So it is right. It is not right. Sorry. It is because alloy. Steel is the mixture
That
of.
is pure.
It is mixture because it is the mixture of different metals. It is alloy. Steel is an alloy. So sorry. No marks.
Sudha, no marks.
F. Okay. You have to write name also. So now group. Next question I will ask from group green. Section green. Group G. This is the question for group G. T. Diksha group. Achha, they have given on the answer. Sorry. So now this is group for H. G already.
G is
has-
0.
Hmm,
Yeah.
G already has given. H group will give answer. Kumkum, Pranita, Payal, Priya, Sania, Sneha, Suhani Sharma.
Sir, mixture.
Name first.
Sir, Sneha.
Neha, it is mixture. Yes, it is right answer. 10 point to Neha's group. Next is paper. You have to give paper is pure or Tanshu's group. Paper is pure or mixture. Paper. Vanshika Thakur, Vibhuti, Aditya, anyone. Time is running.
Sir, mixture.
Who is giving answer?
Tanshu.
So tell your name first. Tanshu is saying paper is mixture, but paper is made up of carbon only. It is a pure substance. Okay? It is pure substance. So sorry, no marks. Next is lemonade. Lemonade, lemon juice. So next group is, I think K group. No, this is a, yes, J. Atit, Harshit Kalra's group. Lemonade, is it pure or mixture?
Harshit Kalra, sir, mixture.
Harshit Kalra is saying it is mixture. Yes, it is mixture. It is a solution made up of lemon and water. So 10 point to Harshit Kalra. Group J. Now question for group K. Rijul Chopra group. Gold. Is pure or mixture?
Sir, Rohit Mahato.
Yes, beta.
Pure, sir.
It is pure
Gold.
substance. Yes, gold is pure because it is metal. And metal is pure element. Okay. So 10 point to Rohit Mahato, ma'am. Group K.
Yes, sir.
Next is last question for group L of this round. Then we will move for next round. Milk. That is milk. Sorry, Tanmay group. Milk is pure or mixture? See chat also.
Sir, Vaibhav, pure.
Vaibhav is saying it is pure. Okay, so it is pure substance. 10.2. Group L. So after first round, Nitika ma'am, please tell the score. So I will move for next round now.
Okay. Group A 10 marks.
Quickly.
Group B 10 marks. Group C 10. Group D 0. Group E 10. Group F 0. Group G 0. Group H 10. Group I 0. J 10. K also 10 and L also 10.
Okay, thank you very much. And it's very nice. No problem, beta. Those who have not scored any marks, we have 2 more rounds. You can score, okay? And those winner group, they will get some exciting prizes. Okay, name of the technique. You have to, in round 2, we need to give the name of technique. 10 points for each question. Which separation technique will be applied for the separation of the following method, okay? Again, I will start from, this time I will start from last. Group L. Group L, ma'am, from last.
Yes, sir.
Group L will give this question. Sodium chloride from its solution in water is going to be separate with which method? Yes, Tanmay, group. Quickly, 30 seconds is their time only. 15 seconds has gone. Which method is used to separate sodium chloride from water? 5 seconds left only. No. So group K. Group K. Rijul Chopra group.
Separation method.
Which separation method? There are different separation methods. One method is there which with the help of what we can separate sodium chloride, salt from water. Sodium chloride is salt.
Evaporation method.
Yes, it is right answer. Evaporation method. 10.2. Team K, ma'am. L is 0, K. So next question is for L itself. K itself, sorry. K आपको ये question है अपना. Ammonium chloride from mixture containing sodium chloride and ammonium chloride. Do little bit fast. Yes, ammonium chloride from mixture containing sodium chloride and ammonium chloride. Rijul Chopra, same group. That was your, ma'am. Give 5 points to them, है ना, ma'am? Passing point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sublimation method.
Sorry.
Sublimation.
Sublimation. Who is this?
Okay.
Rijul Chopra.
Yes, sir.
You all have to enable your camera. Otherwise, it is how I will know you are doing from your own or from notebook. Enable your camera. Most of you
Enable,
have
sir.
disabled. No, some of the students, they have disabled their camera. Okay, this is sublimation. 10 more point to group K. Rijul Chopra. So now this question is for group J. Group J. Small piece of metal in the engine oil of a car. Small piece of metal in an engine oil of a car can be separated with what method? Group J. Harshit Kalra group. Come on, fast. Anyone can give answer. जब engine oil में some pieces of metal is there, how we can separate? This is what every mechanic is also doing. Suhani Sharma, don't spoil this. Your name is coming here. Suhani Sharma. You are annotator here, 9th, and your face is also in front of me. Delete this. Suhani Sharma, you don't know how to do this. How you have done? Yes. Okay. Small piece of metal in the engine oil of car. If you don't know answer, so I'm going to pass the question to group I. Tanshu Thakur. Suhani Sharma, again you are doing something and this is happening something, I think. Yes. Tanshu Thakur.
Sir, filtration.
Filtration method. You are right. So 5.2 team I, Tanshu Thakur. Next question is for group I itself. Yes, Tanshu, it is the same question for you now. Different pigment from an extract of flower petal. Different pigment from an extract of flower petal. जो फ्लावर पेटल के अलग अलग कलर होते हैं उनको कैसे सेपरेट करते हैं? सेम ग्रुप. I wish then वंशिका ठाकुर, विभूति नेगी, आदित्य, अभिषेक शर्मा, अक्षत कुमार, अंशुमन. Out of them, anyone? Or otherwise Tanshu, yourself. Time is running. You have only 10 seconds now. Come on. How we can separate the pigment? Pigment is color from an extract of flower petal. Sorry. Okay, pass to H. Sneha group.
Sir, Sneha. Sir, chromatography.
Sneha is there.
Yes, sir.
Chromatography is right answer. 5.2. Sneha's group. Chromatography is right answer because this we are going to extract with the help of this. This is same question for Sneha group. Butter from curd. Butter from curd. Come on, time is running. Do fast. Rest of you all can write these questions because these are going to be in test in the afternoon. In giving written test. Yes, beta. Sneha, anyone from Sneha's group?
Sir, centrifugation.
Who is this?
Sir, Sneha only.
It's a 10 point to Sneha group. Oil from water. This is for group G. Diksha group. Oil from
Sir, descentation.
Descentation is also right answer, but basically separating funnel is the best answer. But descentation also I can say descentation is the right answer. 10.2 Diksha's group. Okay, Nitika ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Next is tea leaves from tea. Group F. Sudha Tamang group. Tea leaves from tea. How we can separate tea leaves from tea?
Sir, filtration.
Filtration. Who said this?
Sir, Shrishti Ramang.
Srishti Tamang. Right answer. Filtration method is the right answer. This is the daily we are doing, but there is no rocket science in this. I think this answer should be given by everyone. Okay, next is from group E, Sanchit group. Iron pin from sand. If suppose in between sand and iron pin there is mixture of iron pin and sand, how we can separate it? Sanchit and group. Hello, this question I want to cancel because answer as displayed. Okay, wheat grain from husk.
Group F.
F group, E group, not F group. Sanchit group. Ritvik, Rohit Thakur, Rahul Rana, Sanchit, Shailen, Suryansh. Anyone? Okay, question passed to group D. Ayush Thakur group. Anyone? If you don't know answer, so please tell me pass, sir. Arnav, Ayush. Okay, group C. Akhil group. Wheat grain from husk.
Sir, which question?
Sir, winnowing.
Akhil is saying winnowing, and it is right answer. 5 point to Akhil group. 5 point to Akhil group. Winnowing is the right answer. Now the same question is for group C. C, I think, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, find mud particles suspended in water. Find mud particles suspended in water. Same group.
Sir, Arnav Ayush. Filtration.
Filtration is the right answer. Filtration is also right answer. It is first followed by sedimentation and descentation. So 10.2. Same group, Akhil group it is. Arnav
Yes,
Ayush.
sir.
Okay. Next question is camphor from salt. Group B. Camphor from salt. Group B. Muskan. Sorry. Who? Ah, yes, beta Kashish.
Evaporation.
Once again.
Evaporation.
Evaporation is not right answer, beta. It is sublimation. Sublimation is what? Solid change into gas directly. First answer will be only the considered as the final answer. After that you can tell, but that's why I'm waiting. Who will give the first answer? So first you said evaporation, so this is not right answer. Sublimation is the right answer. Yes, after that somebody said sublimation. So no marks, but sublimation is the right answer. Okay. So group A को रह गया था. Group A को I will ask the question from group A. Yes, how to separate mixture of air? लिखा नहीं है, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. Group A, how to separate mixture of air? Jasmine group, how to separate mixture of air? Anyone? Anya Sood, Ananya Sharma, Anjali Thakur, Ankita Mahant, Chandani, Ishika Thakur, or Jasmine? If anyone? No? The question was how to separate the mixture of air. Okay, so nobody has given answer, so no credit. So now we are moving for last round, round 3. Before that, quickly score.
So group A achieved 10 marks total. Okay, group B 10, group C 25, and group D 0. Please work hard. Group D, group E 10, group F 10, group G 15, group H 25, group I 5, group J 10, group K 25, and group L 10.
Okay, congratulations to all the team members, those who are scoring good marks, and don't disheart those group which left, because this round is going to be changed a whole score. But the need is there, you need to be pay attention a little bit. It is not only group leader, all the 5-6 member of group member, just work hard. 5 minutes I will take, then after that this meeting is going to be end. We are a little bit late from the usual timing. So picture round it is. Some picture will display on the screen, some picture will display on the screen. And 10 marks is for right answer, -5 is there for wrong answer also. There is negative marking also. And secondly, fastest finger. Now there is no finger. I mean, you cannot show finger, but name of the round is fastest finger. Anybody from any group, you just have to tell first your name, otherwise the question will be cancelled. Like anybody will give first your name from any group. I will tell them. Keep yourself mute. So any student out of all the group, any student, they will say your name and they will say group, name and group. Okay, like Akhil 9th blue, group B or group C. Akhil 9th blue, group C. Then after that, I will ask you answer. You just
and if you will not say your name or group, so you will be disqualified. Okay.
Yes, this is right. Answer will be disqualified. Question will be disqualified. Okay. So are you ready? Give me thumbs up those who are ready. Okay, ठीक है. Okay. Then beta, judge is Miss Nitika here. If suppose 2 students will suddenly together they will say, then she will tell and she will do the judgment. Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Name the effect. The first picture is going to appear on your screen is this. We have this. Picture is this. You have to tell which process is this. Quickly.
So Arnavayush,
Arnavayush.
evaporation.
Arnavayush. Wait now. Arnavayush. Yes, beta.
Yes, sir. Evaporation.
The process is evaporation and it is conversion of liquid into gas. Very good. 10 points to Arnavayush group C.
Group C, 10 points.
Akhil group. So 10 points to Akhil group. Very good. Rest of you can give clapping or smile at least. Okay. So next is name this apparatus. Focus on screen. Be quick. Unmute yourself later on. Yes, name the apparatus.
Kashish from group B.
Yes, beta, Kashish from group B.
So it is a centrifugating machine.
Very good, excellent. This is centrifugation machine, centrifuging machine. Yesterday, just I have sent one video in which this machine was, I was showing you in this machine and the working of this machine. This is used to separate the butter from curd. So excellent, 10.2. Group B, due to Kashish Kalia. Okay. So I hope so, Nitika ma'am, you have noted down.
Yes, sir.
Next, be ready. Third question is name this method. Name this method. You have to tell the name of this method. Yes, what is the name of this method? Yes, wait.
Harshit Karla.
First name, Harshit Kalra.
Sir, filtration.
Filtration is the right answer. 10.2, Harshit Kalra group. Harshit Kalra group is which group?
Sir, J group.
J group, yes, J group. So 10.2 Harshit Kalra group, it is used to separate the dust from water. Okay, that also day before yesterday I made this video practical. Now the last is, what is the name of this apparatus? Second last, I think. Better mute first yourself. What is the name of this apparatus? Wait, I'm waiting. I'm observing everybody's face. How many of you are active? So, should I share? This is the picture. You need to tell the name of this apparatus.
Sir, Vanshika.
Vanshika, from which group?
Sir, I.
I know, but which group? I group, okay.
I group.
I thought you are saying I. I group. Group I, Vanshika, yes beta. Name this apparatus.
Sir, funnel tube.
Funnel tube. No, this is wrong answer. Anyone? Second option. -5, ma'am. I team. -5.
-5.
Yes, anyone? Second option. Second, any other group? Name first. Quickly.
Sir, Anshika Bhatia.
Anshika Bhatia. Group?
Sir, sir, group G.
Group G. Yes, beta.
Sir, separating funnel.
Separating funnel is the right answer. 10.2 group G due to Anshika Bhatia. So this is used to separate two miscible liquid. Now, Vanshika beta, it is separating funnel, not separating tube. Okay. So next time keep. Next is name the effect shown in the picture. Name the effect shown in the picture. You have to name this effect.
Sir, Tanmay.
Yes,
Group
Tanmay.
T. Group T not.
Yes.
Group L.
Okay, Tanmay. Group
Sir,
L.
Tyndall effect.
Tyndall effect is the right answer. Group L got 10 point due to Tanmay Pathania. Tyndall effect is the right answer, in which we can observe it in colloid solution. And some of the student, I think somebody has asked also, this is the doubt, what is the Tyndall effect? So this is all about for the quiz. Now I wish that Nitika madam will declare the result, and I will tell by that time, ma'am, you make result by that time. I am showing them
Yes,
Tyndall
sir.
effect. Okay. So dear students,
Yes, sir.
I'm going to show you Tyndall effect here. First, before that, tell me, have you enjoyed the quiz or not?
So here it is my privilege to declare a result for chemistry quiz. Okay. So first I will say of third. Okay. So third position has been scored by group B, group J, and group L. Okay. Congratulations to all. And then second position has been scored by group G, H, and K. Congratulations to the winners. And then first position has been achieved by group C, Akhil Verma's group. So very good, students. Hope so for the best result next time. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, so I wish my gratitude to Miss Nitika here also to be the scorer with us, and she did wonderful job. And congratulations to all the winner, third prize, second prize, and first prize. Now first prize winner, they will get excited prizes from me that I will declare later on. Okay, so because they are not here right now. So Arnav, Ayush, Akhil, who were there in your group? Who are
Yes,
there?
sir.
Who are other in your group? Let me check. Yes, it is Stuti Shashni, Suhani Sharma, Tanvi, Akhil Verma, Arnav Ayush, and Aryan Thakur. And one more thing, Nitika ma'am, you have to declare the
sir.
name of that student who has given maximum answer. Just see randomly.
Okay. Sir, it was Harshit, sir.
Harshit Kalra.
Yeah.
Okay, congratulations, Harshit Kalra. It means that you are doing studies seriously also. Okay. You just send me your contact number, WhatsApp number. I will recharge your data voucher of how many rupees it is. Harshit Kalra, hope so you are.
No, sir.
No, sir. What no, sir?
No recharge, sir.
Acha, do you don't want? Then that's great, yaar. You save my
No,
money.
sir.
Okay, so thank you very much for all of you. You are so nice to listening me patiently. Otherwise, nobody has this kind of patience to listen me. So thank you very much. Okay, thank you, Nitika ma'am. So you
Okay,
can
thank you. Welcome, sir.
you can leave and send me this photograph of score. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta. ठीक है. 9th class. Thank you.
Please take care of yourself, take care of your family, stay home, stay safe, and don't be corona carrier, be corona warrior. So have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.